We're excited to introduce the new Test Meter Pro Lock-Off Kit range, developed to help engineers carry out safe isolation procedures with confidence. Safe isolation is one of the most important procedures when carrying out maintenance work. These kits are designed to help electricians and engineers secure isolation points and prevent installations from being accidentally re-energized while work is in progress. Each kit is built around high-quality master lock lockout components, including circuit breaker lockouts, safety padlocks, lockout hasps, valve locks, warning tags, and an adjustable cable lockout depending on the application. What makes this range different is that the kits are designed for specific industries and applications, including solar PV installations, EV charging systems, data centers, industrial machinery, HVAC systems, water treatment facilities, and general facilities maintenance. Every kit comes supplied in a durable test meter EVA hard case, keeping everything organized and easy to transport between jobs. So whether you're installing equipment, carrying out maintenance, or troubleshooting electrical systems, these kits help ensure safe isolation procedures are followed every time. You can explore the full range of Test Meter Pro lock-off kits on our website or contact us on 0113 248 9966 to talk to one of our technically trained team.